Hi, it's Beck here from Sunbury Local Businesses, and I'm here with Daryl from Clean, Maintain, Restore in Sunbury. How are you, Daryl?
Very good.
That's good. Now, I wanted to talk to you today about water damage. If I've flooded my carpet, is that something I could call you for?
Yes, you can. And the reason you call someone fairly quickly with that is obviously to get rid of the water before it creates other damage.
Right.
Not just the carpet being wet is one problem, but it can also then cause door jambs to swell, all sorts of other things, and smell and mold and everything else that everyone hears about. So the main reason why you call someone in quickly who's got the right gear is to dry that carpet out, just to stop all the other problems that can occur.
Right, okay, so you can draw the water out?
Yeah, we have dedicated gear. It's not carpet cleaning gear, it is water restoration gear.
Right.
So, and that's quite important to make sure the job's done properly.
Right, and so we don't need to rip up the carpet?
In the case of water damaged carpet, if it's clean water and you can dry it properly, there's no need to actually pull it up.
Oh, fabulous.
If it is damaged with what we call category 2 or category 3 water, which is either storm water, so dirty water that's come in from through a wall or something like that, or sewage, backflow from a toilet or something like that, which happens regularly enough, then that generally means carpet's removable, because you can't actually wash the carpet and dry it and put it back. It gets the soiling in it and the bacterial load just becomes too great and the risk is too high.
Right, okay. So in these sorts of instances, we'd be contacting our insurance company and going for a claim through them. But that can take time. So we were talking about getting in touch with you first. Are we able to do that?
Yeah, I've done 4 or 5 houses in Sunbury where I've looked after the whole job. But the difference with that is I invoice you as the homeowner and you claim from your insurance company. And you need to tell your insurance company up front that that's the way you're going about it. They may still say no. The guy you've got in, being me, can do the initial make safe. So in the case, especially of a sewage overflow or something like that, get in there, get the microbial problem under control quickly so it doesn't create another problem, and then their insurance guys will come out, the ones they've got under contract.
Well, thank you so much for your time today, Daryl. Hopefully it sort of helps people. If they do have some sort of water issue or moisture issue in their carpet, they can get in touch with yourself at Clean, Maintain, Restore.
Thank you.
Thanks, Daryl.